Here we are in our copper strip and sheet warehouse in Zhejiang province, China. Surrounding me right now are rolls of C11,000 pure copper strip and C26,000/C26,800 brass strip. These are T2 purple copper strips, thickness from 0.1 millimeter up to 3.0 millimeter, width up to 600 millimeters. All material is oxygen-free or low-oxygen ETP copper, half hard to extra hard temper as required. Next to them are the brass strips, mainly H65 and H62 grades, same thickness and width range. These are widely used in electrical connectors, terminals, heat exchangers, and precision stamping parts. We also keep phosphor bronze, C5191, C5210 strips in regular stock for spring and contact applications. Our Zhejiang warehouse maintains over 100 tons of immediate stock of copper and brass strips and sheets year-round, ready for immediate processing and delivery to support your production schedule.